G'day my awesome friends, good to see you all. Well, not see you all, but you can see me, and I feel like I can see you guys. I feel like got a lot of friends on here. Made a bit of a family out of Toby Fire and Steel, which is awesome. Pretty much exactly what I wanted. Now, I'm sure some or many of you may have seen that one of the first videos I actually ever did put out was my forge build video. So my 9 kilo gas bottle cut in half, turned into a forge. So then that forge build video was based on the Gameco, I can't remember what the code is, the Gameco gas forge kit. Anyway, so as some of you know, that I've been doing lots with Gameco in the last sort of few months, and what they've done is they've given us a Toby Fire and Steel discount. So I'm a little bit excited to be able to hand that over to you guys. I feel like I've made it, got a discount. So yeah, they've given me the TFS 10, Toby Fire and Steel. So TFS 10 discount, and that applies to a few things at the moment on the Gameco website. If you are planning on building a forge, or you're going to be buying forge burners for anything, make sure you use that discount. Now, several people in the past have said, how do I tell Gameco, where's your affiliated links? I want them to know that I found Gameco through you guys, and so on and so forth. And that's been really awesome. I've appreciated that. You can always let them know on the notes bit on the bottom of an order when you do order something through Gameco. But now also when you order, if you order the forge kit or the forge burners, you can use that TFS 10, and that will give you a 10% discount, which is pretty cool, I reckon. Please don't stop letting them know. Send them messages and that sort of stuff. Let them know that you're seeing their stuff on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have got as many subscribers as I've got, and places like Gameco probably wouldn't be giving me discounts that I can hand on to you guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I will be linking in my forge build video here if you haven't seen it. One of these days I'm going to do an abbreviated version because it's pretty long. It's designed for people who may or may not have ever touched any form of tools before, and maybe just got himself a welder and want to build a forge. So it's pretty detailed. It's quite long and quite detailed, but probably do an abridged version one day. But yeah, find that, have a look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you build a forge? Have you built a forge? Did you use the Gameco kit? Did you make your own burners? How did you go with it? Love to hear a bit of feedback from people. Boo.